Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming a quick little 10-minute video about the Allure beauty box for the month of January. Funny enough, it is February and I did get this on February 1st. Apparently this is kind of a common theme because I've seen other people complain about not getting their boxes. So I did resubscribe last month, if you saw that. I got the December box, which was the Nikki Tutorials one, and I got that late December, but it was in December when I got it and it was really stellar. That's why I resubscribed. So I decided to stick with it and see how the boxes progress over the next few months and see if I want to continue to subscribe. So this box also looks pretty great. We're going to open it up really quick. It has a little booklet, but I'm not going to look too far into that. But this does come in a cute little red bag. So in the bag there is some definite good items in here. So it is $15 a month, and previously it was more like Birchbox or Ipsy where I didn't feel like it was worthwhile. So I did cancel my subscription probably 8 or 10 months ago, I would say. So now I'm excited to give it a try. It is supposed to be like a revamped box. They're supposed to have gotten a lot better. So let's open this bag up. First off, I think the bag is kind of cool. This like red plastic. The first thing in my box, I was hoping to get this version. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. It smells amazing. It's like a perfumey type of scent. But this I'm excited to try. It is a small size. I'll put the value on the screen so you know how much you're actually getting of this. This is just a 1 ounce. The big jar I think is like much bigger. I think it's like 7 or 8 ounces maybe. So this is just a small guy to try out, but I am excited to try it. Some more skincare. I got the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. So this is exciting because it is brand new. This is a completely new product. It's not in stores at Sephora yet that I know of. It may be online. This is a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids. Okay. I'm excited to try this. I love using a retinol in my nighttime skincare routine, so we're going to give it a shot. This is 0.27 fluid ounces. No complaints here. I do think that this is a decent size, but mostly I'm excited about it because it's brand new. That's exciting. It also has honey in it. Okay. The next thing, in my opinion, is the best thing in the box. This is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. This is also a brand new product. This is a small full size. I believe this retails for $38. I'll put it on the screen, but they typically have half ounces and full ounces. So this is a half ounce of the oil, but it is a full size. So I'm really excited. And again, this is brand new. To me, this made the box. Like, I would have paid $15 just to get this and try it out early. So I'm excited to try that very soon. I got the Beauty Blender Micro. So these are like the little bitty sponges. Personally, I don't really love these. I just don't really go to the habit of grabbing a tiny sponge to get in those areas. Maybe if I was really taking my time for a special occasion, maybe I would go that far. But I use my full-size Beauty Blender for everything. Not a bad thing. I do love Beauty Blender brand, so yeah, just something, I believe this was like an extra item. This is the NCLA nail polish. It's a luxury nail lacquer and it's vegan and cruelty free, which is really cool. And this shade is called Call My Agent. It's a really fun color for summer. So very excited for that. I've got 2 more products and these are the ones we're going to be trying on really fast. So I got the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick. I got the shade Burnished Bronze. That's what the packaging looks like. It's mirrored, so you're not going to be able to see it very well. But I'm going to do a swatch. So that's what it looks like. Now, I don't use a lot of shadow sticks. It's just not been my preference in makeup to use a shadow stick. I definitely prefer powder and then the occasional liquid glitter. So we're going to see how this performs. I'm going to put some on really quick. So that's actually pretty nice, especially if you want something quick and easy. That gave me like this little very soft smoky taupe look to it. So I'm not mad at this. I will definitely play around with some stick shadows more, especially this one, and see how I do. I usually have a problem with creams that want to crease up on the lid throughout the day, so we'll see if this one does that. But so far, so good. Alright, I went ahead and applied a little mascara just to finish off that simple eye look. I actually think it looks really pretty, and the next item goes really well with this. So it's a nice red lip. This is from, I think this is pronounced Deuce or Douce. I think somebody said it's Deuce like goose, but I don't know. I've heard people say Douce. I've heard it pronounced all sorts of ways. And how does it really been my favorite brand. I feel like I've gotten a few things here and there and I've never really been blown away, but we're gonna stay with this lip. This is a matte lip crayon in the shade 405 Winterberry. So let's swatch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. That's actually really pretty. Alright, so there's the look. I feel like the lip and the eye go perfectly together. Soft on the eyes and then a bold lip. It's very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very short, sweet unboxing. Let me know what you think down below. Is this a box that you would have enjoyed to receive? Are you subscribed or do you plan to? I am still on the fence. Although I really love this box and the previous one, I still feel like I just want to, you know, continue to give it a test. But I'm going to say subscribe for now because for $15, I would have paid just to get this. So overall, I'm pretty happy. I have to say, I think they have stepped up their game, so I hope it continues. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for being with me. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.